this first example here, I saw a lot of people saw the 4 minus 2, and they wrote 2/15. And they saw 19 minus 13, and they got 6. Can I simplify the 2/15? No, it's 6. 19 minus 13? It's 6. You can't simplify, so guess what? You're done with that one. Now, for the second one, a lot of people got to this point. They added 7 plus 7. They got 14/11. They added 16 plus 21 and got 37. And a lot of you guys recognize that that's not a good final answer. Who can raise their hand and tell me why not? Why is that not a good answer? Good, we've got an improper fraction here. So we need to get rid of this improper fraction. How many times can 11 go into 14? Once. With how many left over? 3 are left over. So that 14/11 really says 1 and 3/11. But we can't forget about this 37. So add that 37 back onto it. And how many whole numbers do you really have? You really have 38 and 3/11. Yep. So that's a really good review of what we did last year with fractions. Now let's get to this year's fractions. What are you noticing? Variables. And the variables actually don't change a thing. The variables are just variables. Still, I want you to look at the denominator. Go ahead and underline the denominator in this first example. Underline your denominator. Underline your denominator. So what are you guys underlining? 16, good. Do we have the same denominator? So let's keep that. Now in my numerator, I have 3a plus 5a. So basically I have 3 a's, 1, 2, 3. And I'm adding 5 more, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many a's do you have altogether? You've got 8a, good. So that's just combining our like terms. 3a plus 5a is 8a. But we do always have to simplify. Can 8 and 16 be divided by something? What? 4 would work. Okay, let's divide them both by 4. 8 divided by 4 leaves me with 2, and we've still got that a. So I've got 2a. What's 16 divided by 4? 4. Can we simplify further? What can we divide by? 2. What's 2 divided by 2? 1a, good. Over 2. Who can raise their hand and give me a better way to write that answer, though? That would work. This would work for my answer. Or how else could I write it? Go ahead. Very good. You could just put a over 2. Either or is perfectly fine. I prefer the second way of writing it. That's the way you'll see it on NWEA or on the test of the quiz. I won't write the one in front of it. Go ahead and give this next one a shot for me. I wouldn't mark it wrong, but it would, for multiple choice, you wouldn't find that answer. Very good. Underline the 21B. Good. You did the whole thing, huh? And then you divided by 3 to simplify? Good. Who can raise their hand and tell me where he got this -9 from? He's exactly right. Keep the 21B. Where's the -9 come from? Yep. Good. So we get that -9. Yep, go for it. Good. Yep. Very good. So we've got the -3 in our numerator. In our denominator, 21 divided by 3 is 7. And then you've still got that B. I saw that on a lot of people's papers, so very nice job. Ready for your homework? Yep. Flip past this page right here. And I want you to go to this page. There are 14 questions on this page. This is your homework tonight. Do all of them. But you've still got half the class period to get that done. And I'll be walking around to help you guys out.